stay. Your light, O Lord, still finds its way. No night too deep, no fear too wide. Your glory dawns and turns the tide. Through every trial, every pain, your steadfast love will still remain. The sun may set, but not your grace. Your light will rise